Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you the latest little project I've made. This is for my new to me tractor, 25 years old, but it's in great shape and it's going to do me just fine. There was no convenient spot to mount a toolbox on this tractor, just no good place for it. So I took this ammunition box and I welded up a couple of these brackets. 1/4 inch plate steel, 2 inches wide. That spacer in the middle is 3/8. It goes underneath and it hooks over the front and it just clips in there. Pretty solid too. You almost have to turn the tractor right over to lose that thing. These ammunition boxes are great for this sort of thing because they're so waterproof. That's the lid. And then there's a rubber seal here. And the latch is kind of like a bit of a vice grip thing almost, and then it snaps shut, and there we go. So just a little something you can do in the shop with a metal cutting saw and a welder. And a can of John Deere green spray paint too.